So today we're going to be unboxing a watch that's a little different, and that is an understatement. The watch is the latest from Atowak Watches. This is a new version of the Cobra using different materials this time, though, and it looks pretty cool, at least from pictures. Now, this was sent to the channel for free from Atowak. Does not have to be returned, but like always, they have no say when it comes to the content of today's video. So let's get to it and check out the watch. Okay, so let's get straight into this. This, by the way, came out ultra fast, all the way from Hong Kong to my doorstep. I think it was maybe 3 days, but let's crack into it. They always do a pretty good job at packing their watches with the foam. Oops, sorry, knocked the camera there. A little tidy up, and let's get into it here. Sometimes their watches do come with a spare strap, so maybe that's what's happening here. Yep, spare black strap. And inside here, just some paperwork on the watch. I'm not going to open those quite yet because they may have pictures inside. Bit of a struggle getting this foam off, but there is the box. Looks to be like a black lacquered box. And here is the watch with its rubber cover. This is it. The Cobra Venom, made with forged carbon fiber. It's completely covered in plastic at the moment. That is looking like an off-camera situation here. Just give me a second and I'll be right back. And here it is, deplasticked, and this thing is just crazy. They're using forged carbon with some sort of a metallic powder to give it the little lines in there. It's meant to sort of look like Damascus steel. Got the mother of pearl inlays there, and the unique wandering hours right now, if you're maybe not able to tell, it is 8:35 through the top crystal here, and I'll show this better on an upcoming video. You can see sort of how, hopefully you can see that, how the hands turn over to the next hour. Right now we are at 10:50. It's actually surprisingly easy to read. There's a lot of cool little gold accents happening on it, including the signed crown. There is 3 versions of the watch, 2 of them limited to 150 pieces each, this and a red version. There's also a different one that is connected. It's a collaboration with the UFC fighter Johnny Walker. That one's only limited to 10 pieces. Now, if you sign up before the release on the 11th of July with a $50 deposit, you're going to get a $450 discount off the full retail price of $26.99 USD. Pretty awesome case back happening here. Also carbon fiber, I believe. One thing I will say about this versus the original Cobras is it is much lighter. I'll try to get a measurement on the weight difference when I do that full video, but let's take a quick look on wrist. And here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. And first of all, this strap is super comfortable. They have a really neat quick release system. I'll show you in that upcoming video. One thing I noticed right away versus the older Cobras with this new Cobra Venom line is the comfort on wrist. The older ones were a little bit top heavy, being stainless steel. As you can imagine, it is quite a thick watch, and obviously something that's not going to be for everyone. But I wanted to get out a really quick video for anybody that might be interested, so you could take advantage of that discount before the 11th of July. So that is it for today. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.